good again. I've been nothing but a girl who really should be nothing less. Don't mess up, and don't you tell us so how you actually feel. If you do, then they'll cut you right at the heel, and it hurts. No one can save you. It's all on your mind to change too. And baby, you can really try if you climb your way up. Do it on your own and you shit out of luck. Nobody will help if you flying too close to the sun. 'Cause you're gonna get burned. Yeah, you're gonna get burned. Burned. Yeah, you're gonna get burned.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jody Paul. I'm a content creator. I do content based on motherhood, homemaking generally, and everything around home. So if you're new here, feel most welcome, and to my returnees, thank you so much. So in today's video, we're just continuing. It's just a continuation of the previous video. We're just cleaning. So today we'll measure on bedroom and living room side. Yeah guys, so stick around, and please give this video a like, leave a nice comment, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So I'll not talk much. I'll just leave some music on as I do my work.
Yeah, you're gonna get burned. Burned. Yeah, you're gonna get burned.
I usually change my mattress. I usually turn my mattress every time I change my bedding because I don't want it to sink on one side and one side is up. So I keep on turning it every time I change my beddings. So at this point I was just turning it, and then I start dressing up my bed.
Nothing in the world could ever be good again. I've been nothing but a girl who really should be nothing less. Don't mess up, and don't you tell us so how you actually feel. If you do, then they'll cut you right at the heel, and it hurts. No one can save you. It's all on your mind to change too. And baby, you can really try if you climb your way up. Do it on your own and you shit out of luck. Nobody will help if you're flying too close to the sun. 'Cause you're gonna get burned. Yeah, you're gonna get burned. Burned. Yeah, you're gonna get burned. 'Cause you're gonna get burned. They say you should never roll all the dice without a hand. It's make or break when you never did stand a chance. Don't mess up, don't you tell us so how you actually feel. If you do, then they'll cut you right at the heel, and it hurts. No one can save you. It's all on your mind to change too. And baby, you can really try if you climb your way up. Do it on your own and you shit out of luck. Nobody will help if you're flying too close to the sun. 'Cause you're gonna get burned. Yeah, you're gonna get burned. Burned. Yeah, you're gonna get burned.
There this satisfaction that usually comes with the neat, clean, spread bed. I don't know whether it's me alone, guys. Please comment down below. I usually find my sleep so deeply the day that I change my beddings. I don't know whether, because I do change like twice in a week or thrice in a week. It depends with the type of beddings I use, but usually mostly I use this white bed.
I'm halfway out, just trying to lose you now. Yeah, it was an illusion now. Yeah, I just wanna see you out. So give it up, leaving all your texts on red with the games you left now. Give it up, you're sick of all the things you said getting in my head now. So I don't wanna know, I don't wanna know where you go. I don't wanna know. Yeah, it was an illusion now. You're leaving all the doors locked out. Yeah, I don't wanna know. Yeah, I don't wanna know.
So I'm currently working on this carpet. I want to get a new one and change it. It doesn't bring the vibe. Yeah, so that's what we are working on, and when we get the new one, I'll share with you.
Yeah, so I don't wanna know all the things that you left in my brain. So I no love regret. Yeah, I only put it away. Now you right back in my face. Yeah, I'm done with all that you can say. Yeah, so leave me alone, 'cause I don't wanna know. I don't wanna know where you go. I don't wanna know. Yeah, it was an illusion now. You're leaving all the doors locked out. And I don't wanna know. Yeah, I don't wanna know. So I don't wanna know. I don't wanna know where you go. I don't wanna know. So I don't wanna know.
I currently doesn't have throw pillows for this couch. I was trying to use my bed throw pillows to see whether it can work and how it will look, but it turned out so well. So I'm currently planning to get some throw pillows and matching pillow cases and throw blanket for this couch.
Halfway out, just trying to lose you now. Yeah, it was an illusion now. Yeah, I just wanna see you out. So give it up, leaving all your texts on red with the games you left now. Give it up, you're sick of all the things you said getting in my head now. So I don't.
It was already late in the evening and I wanted to make a quick dinner before I head to bed. I was making rice with beans stew. Yeah, so that's what I was going to make. I just want to make it very fast and then I take it and go to bed because I was damn tired.
I don't wanna know. Two shots with a broken spleen, yeah. I'm blessed with the mess you leave, yeah. It's hard to stop in me, yeah. So I don't wanna know all the things that you left in my brain. So I no love regret. Yeah, I only put it away. Now you right back in my face. Yeah, I'm done with all that you can say. Yeah, so leave me alone, 'cause I don't wanna know. I don't wanna know where you go.
So if you watch this video until this moment, thank you so much for your support. Hope you are motivated to get up and clean your space. Yeah guys, so let's meet in another video.